What's going on, guys? So today we're standing here in front of the Big Tex 14OA Deckover trailer. So this is a 14,000 GVWR Deckover trailer from Big Tex. It is 20 feet long, 8.5 feet wide. 14,000 GVW, once you subtract that trailer weight, you're gonna be able to hold about 10 or 11,000 pounds up on top of it. Let's start in the front, kind of go over the features on it. So you got an adjustable coupler up there, self-latching Demco coupler, which is really nice. You got a big jack up on the front that has a really long handle on it, so it gets some nice leverage, makes it really easy to turn that jack when you have a heavy load on there. A really large lockable toolbox, which is great, tons of storage. And then you can see the frame is an I-beam. It is a one-piece I-beam, goes all the way front to back, much nicer frame than a lot of the lighter duty or cheaper trailers that have like a stacked C-channel frame on them. As we come back, you're gonna have pressure treated wood on the deck. You're gonna have rub rail and stake pockets that run all the way down the side of this trailer to help secure your load. When you get to the axles here, two 7,000-pound axles. These are gonna have 16-inch wheels, 10-ply tires on them. And then at the rear, you're gonna have these 8-foot slide-out ramps. So the ramps store up underneath in a pocket, slide out to keep this a 20-foot all-flat deck. And we do stock this in other options, you know, other tail configurations where we have a dovetail and a stand-up ramp. This is gonna be the all-flat version. Usually this gets used for things like stacking pallets, long materials, or side loading. So you can take these ramps also, clip them on these rub rails that are on the side, and you can side load this trailer. Say you have 3 or 4 ATVs or golf carts that you want to be able to side load on here, boom, boom, boom. It just makes it another really versatile option for this trailer. So if you have any questions, give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.